What do you say we pack our things and get out of here?
We're fine!
Life just to disappear.
There yet?
You gotta be there by now. Why are you so slow?
I told you I was gonna be slow.
Oh my god.
Coming clear. Can I hold you? Can I hold you to that? We could see the world. 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 What do you say we pack a car and get behind the wheel? All we have to do is drive and let the feelings steer. Can I hold you? Can I hold you to that? We could see the world. 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 Oh.
Dad!
Yes. Carrying tons of weight. Fucking beast.
Let's go, let's go.
See the world, see the world. See the world, see the world. See the world, see the world. See the world, see the world.
How that altitude?
How you doing, babe?
Oh, we're unpacking. Look at this synergy. Look at this handwork.
I can't freaking get it.
Beautiful hands. Hard at work.
My hands are just not working.
Yeah.
Look at this hand not
Frozen
working,
digits. We've made it to the cabin.
This hand that should be working that isn't.
Getting all set up. Here we go.
Go for it.
It's hard to tell what these colors are. Oh yeah. Behold.
Okay. For all the money, ready?
Nice.
I'm just gonna tap it a few times just to make sure. I don't know if that helps, but
I think it did. Yeah, baby.
there.
How was this created without a stove? I heard it. Without an oven.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's okay. My fiance used to miss my birthday.
I heard it starting and I was like, oh no.
You did it!
Oh, that is so good. Send it. can you tell us about that sick ass?
Well, I've hit a bit of jank on the 0.25%. Hit a bit rocky, but I pulled an English on it and I was able to recover. I think we'll pull ahead for the next round. What do y'all think?
Oh, you definitely have a good shot.
We sports balled as hard as we could out there. We're gonna sports ball even harder.
Well, your effort was absolutely admirable.
Oh shit, you're stuck.
Yeah. Try again. Go up and try again.
What the heck?
Oh, here he goes. And he sends it.
Wow.
Let's see if he'll go off course once again.
Wow! Just the path. He loves it so much. Don't stop. You have it.
Look at that recovery.
Keep believing in
yes.
yourself. Wow,
He did
that
it.
was identical.
Another recovery.
Like that little roll, like a groove there in the snow. An icon.
He definitely recovered. I give that 9.2.
Hey, for sure.
It would have been a full 10 if he stayed on course, but
That is true.
He is definitely one of the sledders of all time.
Slutty shredders. Bam.
That was a massive recovery.
Do you think you're going to be sponsored by Burton after that? Or 686
I
or
mean, my phone was just ringing off the hook on the way up. Yeah,
you got service?
I have my choice.
can you give us a little rundown of the run?
So there I was. I dove in, just feeling shreddy. Things were going great. And then nature took me off course.
Oh yeah.
And I had a big tree to dodge. We took care of that problem. And I said, you know what? I can save this.
Oh,
So
you
we
definitely
just did a little body lean to the left. No problem.
Judges,
Man.
scores.
I don't know.
7.5.
I'm not as generous. I'm going 7.1. You know.
Oh!
But I have to give props for the mad recovery. That was
I'll take it, I'll
that was
take it.
the best we've seen all day.
Inspirational.
You wouldn't have done that with your massive yaw. So I don't know.
You can do us a redeeming yacht. We'll take a new yacht.
Hey, what?
Hold on.
You're the engineer. You should be on the count.
You smell like 1, 2.
Hello. I'm off to the sauna.
When I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me.
Oh, are you done?
God, it's so good. You're gonna be so happy.
I'm stoked. I'm freaking stoked.
I need you with me by my side.
I'm mountaineer. Luke, how long have you been?